Guys, I respect and I understand ukuthi we don't have to be apologetic for our success. But it feels like siyaqabuka. Why we have to show our success by posting a car? Why you have to post the whole of your life in the social media? You need to post when you eat. You need to post when you swim. You need to post you bought a car. You need to post it's a Valentine's. You need to post. Why don't we buy business? Where have you ever seen a person that is posting bought a business with no intenge a business? Why are we posting liabilities? Liabilities that are expensive, and then we think, angazi bafethu, are we doing the right thing or are we doing the wrong thing? Mina ngibona ngathi sikhawathekile thina kodwa silimele. Why manje kumele upost imali? I mean, bafethu, phela manje industry yethu, I think the future rappers or the future musicians are scared now to enter into the industry because our industry has turned into a gun battlefield. It's a bloodshed. Music was never created to be gangsters like East Side, West Side. Yabona into zabo Tupac, abo Biggie. Yabona ama-American lezi kuvela nje BM in store and clears. No, music was never created for that. Music, I believe, was created to address issues, to inspire, to motivate the demotivated, to be a light, to give people hope, to address our issues as people. Look, this is our problem we are facing, but we can't speak to an individual. So we use the platform of rap, or we use the platform of kwaito, or we use the platform of piano to communicate with people. But now, this thing of heist, I believe if you want to be a gangster, go straight to a team of gangsters. Don't wear a mask of being a musician got in disguise when you are a criminal. We don't have to do that. We are spoiling everything. Bafwetu is the GP, the ghetto professor. Hi Gabi, I don't interfere, I'm not mona. They can think with a problem with it in a supposed imotos that you must take imot. Marangona got to see obsessed. See obsessed in empilo, see obsessed in person and avail. Inside Peter, why don't we buy what will be sustainable, that will break the chain of the generational curse and create a generational wealth? As black people, we need to wake up. Kumele sivuke. Angeke silunge, otherwise things won't change the way we behave. La akusukse east side, west side, hey, dark life. No, it's not gonna work. Music is not created for that. Music is created for entertainment, to make people happy, to enjoy. Music is not for war. We don't sing for people to kill each other. Up close and personal with the GP Ghetto Professor Maorange is up close and personal with Israel. Matseke Zulu. Thank you, Baba.